Hey, you wanna watch a movie?
Sure, why not? What movie?
Nice. I have this one downloaded.
Well,
It's about.
okay, it doesn't matter. As long as it's not too long. I have things to do.
Okay, should be fine.
Your Honor, if this was about right or wrong, the company would have sought Mr. Sheeran's dismissal. They didn't.
How long
They
is
only
this movie?
accused.
No, wait, don't. 3.5 hours. Are you serious, dude? What's wrong with you? What can I say? But it's a good one, right? Welcome to the Power of Creation. My name is Sebastian and today we'll talk about duration of videos in Premiere Pro projects, or length, however you wanna call it. I'll refer to it as duration in this video. Now let's go ahead and check what we have in Projects panel. Here is the footage I want to use, and if you scroll a bit to the right over here, you can see there is a video duration column, which tells you how long this video is. I'll drag it into my sequence. Now if we move to the end, you can see it has the same duration in the timeline. Now if you want to change the duration of this clip, you can do this in 3 ways. First way is to do it before you put the clip in the sequence. You open it up in Source panel by double clicking on it, and here you can select the parts which you want to put in sequence by marking these parts with in and out. Let's say I want my video to start here. I can mark it with in, this button here, or by pressing I key on my keyboard and marking the out point with this button, or by using the O key. Now when I drag the footage in the sequence, you can see it is way shorter and I added only the marked part. The second way is to trim the footage when it's already in the timeline, and you do this by dragging these handles at the beginning and the end of the clip. Now here is a cool trick. You can set the duration of your clips with these handles, and when you're set, you can use the slip tool by selecting it here or using keyboard shortcut Y, and with it you can pan the video inside this clip, forward or backward. Moving on to the third option. If you right click the clip, you might have noticed there is the speed duration option. There is a shortcut for this dialog as well, Control or Command for Mac users plus R. You can change the duration of your clips this way as well. But before you do that, make sure this chain is unselected to unlink the duration of the clip with its speed. We talk about the speed in the next video. Using this dialog, you can set the exact duration of your clip and be really precise about it. Let's set it to 1 minute. There is one more thing you need to take into consideration while doing this. Let's say you have some other clip after this one. If you try to change the speed and make the clip longer, and having this box here unselected where it says Ripple Edit Shifting Trailing Clips, the length of the clip will be only until the next clip. It won't go over the amount. Now if we select that checkbox, you'll see it moves everything that's ahead for that amount further. Alright, here's one more tip for you, and also most of the time my way of setting the duration of the clips in my videos. Let's say I have this amount of clips and I want them all to be the exact same long. Maybe I'm editing it to match the beats of the song or something. I would usually place all the footage into my timeline, select it all, right click it, and go and set the duration of all clips simultaneously, for example, to 4 seconds. And in the end, I'd use the slip tool to move them around so I have the right bits visible. And I'd come up with something like this. See, every clip's the same length. And that's about everything you'll need to know about the duration of videos to get you started creating.
Hey, I have another movie if you want to join.
Man, can you be quiet at least for 5 minutes? Just let me finish this first and yeah, we'll watch a movie then, whatever, but just give me a second now, will you? Sorry about that. Anyway, let me know down in the comment section which way do you prefer, or did I miss anything so I can mention it in one of the next videos. Also, make sure to like the video if you liked it, hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos come, subscribe, share it, whatever. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Alright, it had better not be a long movie. Which one is it?
Don't worry. Really. The name is Schindler's List.
What's it about?